So today is going to be a super fun day as we hang out with my friend Tobi with Pagosa Outsides Adventures as we raft the San Juan River and hang out at Pagosa's version of the beach.
Pagosa Outside has been around for quite some time. I acquired the company in 2008, what was a fly fishing shop, and turned it into a river outfitter. We really wanted to just kind of share what was special about Pagosa. Nobody was doing the rafting the right way, making trips that you'd want to share with your own friends and family. So we saw an opportunity to turn it into something special. Over the years, we've had such a wide variety of staff, teachers, firefighters, EMTs, nurses, ski patrollers, ski schoolers. Some people even call this a full-time job. At this point, yeah, I've been doing it for long enough that I'm pretty much unemployable in any other aspect. This is what I know and how to do. It's what I love to do. It does not at all feel like a job. We run 3 different sections of the San Juan River. Town run, we call the Splash and Dash. It's super fun, exciting, accessible to just about everybody. You finish the trip with a wave breaking over your boat and into your laps, and you're back to your dry clothes in 10 minutes. My favorite trip is on the West Fork. It's a really fun intermediate section, water way up high towards the base of Wolf Creek Pass. Start off with some very technical, creaky, fun whitewater on the West Fork. You get a nice leisurely scenic float in the middle, and at the end we get to go smashing through the big waves into town Whitewater Park. My favorite trip to take my family on is Mesa Canyon. We float 13 miles through isolated canyon below town. Beautiful, scenic. It's about as far out as you can get in a half-day trip. It's a pretty special place. There again, very family friendly at most water levels. Great for kids, great for grandma and grandpa too. At some point in time, we're going to run out of water for rafting, no matter how much snow we get, but that's where tubing comes in. People love tubing. It's so fun with the whitewater features, with the free hot springs on the side of the river, with town parks. It's pretty amazing. We've actually, because our section of river is so rough, rocky, and rowdy, had to work with whitewater manufacturers to develop a tube that's tough enough to hold up to the Pagosa whitewater. But it's a pretty special little trip. I always remember that when I get out there. It is pretty awesome. You walk across Main Street and you're right down, surrounded by town parks, hot springs, the best stretch of river with a river walk right alongside. You'll see so many people out there enjoying it. It's our version of a day at the beach. You can walk right across Main Street and have your feet wet in 2 minutes. Back when I was younger, it was all about chasing the thrill. But at this point, I've really realized that it's all about sharing the love of the river. What a magical thing it is, whether it's big, thrilling whitewater or just being inspired by the scenery.